Hi everyone, I'm Miss Jessica.
I'm Miss Svetlana.
I'm Mr. Adar.
And today we're dancing
Bhangra!
So Miss Svetlana, Mr. Adar, what is Bhangra dance?
Bhangra is a folk dance from northern parts of India, from the state of Punjab. It is usually a very high energy dance that has crazy shoulder shakes, high knee raises, and a big smile.
It's usually danced to celebrate birthdays, weddings, Indian festivals, and pretty much any occasion.
And what do you love about this dance?
Bhangra is so fun. It has such catchy tunes. Every time you hear it, you just can't help but join in the dance and have a lot of fun.
What I love about Bhangra is that I get to hang out with my friends and just jump up and down.
And what I love about it are the costumes and the beautiful colors.
Ready to learn some steps?
Yes!
Let's do it!
Do it!
Let's begin and learn the move number 1.
This is what it looks like.
We're gonna start with kicking twice over there. When you do that, make sure your foot is flexed. So not pointed, flexed. Yes? And knees go high up, okay? As high as you possibly can, okay? Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, and a kick, switch, kick and kick, switch, kick and kick, a kick and kick. Good job. Remember to have bounce in your knees when you do the move, okay? Bhangra is very bouncy. I want to see those knees bounce, okay? Let's do this to the music. We're going to start with a little bounce. 5, 6, 7, and good job. Now let's see what our hands are doing. You're gonna have 2 palms like this, all fingers together, no gaps, okay? Left one goes down, right one goes up. So you have a nice diagonal, yeah? Now when you do this, I want you to bring your wrists back and push to the front. Back and push to the front. Let's see the same move sideways. Left hand down, right hand up in a diagonal. And you go 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. 5 and a 6, a 7 and 8. Now switch. 5, 6, 7 and a 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and a 6, 7 and a 8. Perfect. Let's try to do the hands to the music. 5, 6, 7 and 1 and 2, a 3 and a 4. 5 and a 6, a 7 and again. A 1 and a 2, a 3 and a 4, a 5 and a 6, a 7 and a 8. Awesome! I think we're ready. Let's try to put hands and feet together. A 5, 6, 7, go. A 1 and a 2, a 3 and a 4, a 5 and a 6, 7 and again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job!
That is so fun.
And now we're gonna do move number
2.
This is what it looks like.
For this move, first put your thumbs out like this and then point to yourself at your shoulders. Then we're gonna be in a wide, big stance like this, and then we're gonna move our shoulders up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Be careful to not go up and down like this and use more of your shoulders like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, I'm gonna take my right foot, I'm gonna put it over my left and turn around myself like this. Boom, and we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Then turn around on my left. Go around, stop, and go 1, 2, 3. One more time, around, 1, 2, 3, around, 1, 2, 3. And that's it. Now let's try it with music. Ready? 5. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and you're done. That move is a lot faster than that, so let's try it with the actual tempo. Ready? Let's get in a wide stance like this. Thumbs out, up to your shoulders. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Last one. And stop. Great job.
And now let's learn move number 3.
This is what it looks like.
So it's just a knee raise with a toe tap. We go 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6, 7 and a 8. Now we're going to add a little bit of more bounce in the knees for this, yeah, because it's a very bouncy kind of dance. Let's try to do this thing with the bounce. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Great job. And now let's try to do the feet with the music. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8 again, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. And now let's learn the hand movements in our upper body. We have a pointy finger, number 1. Bring it up here to your ear level and use your shoulders. Shoulders go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So as you can see, the shoulders are going down and down, down and down. And when you do that, make sure your elbows are not moving like this. It's just your shoulders moving like this. Let's do the hands and the feet together to the music. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 again, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8.
Now let's try all 3 moves together with music. You can always rewind this part and do it over and over again until you really got the dance down. Let's go!
5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and the next. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Prepare for the next. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Hey. Good job.
Now Miss Svetlana and Mr. Adar will perform for us.
I love this so much, and thank you so much for being a part of my world and for sharing this beautiful dance with us.
Thank you for having us. We
Thank
love
you.
this dance. We would love sharing it with the world. And if you can learn those steps, film yourself and send us your videos. We want to see you dance.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. Well, I'm Miss Jessica,
I'm Miss Svetlana.
I'm Mr. Adarsh.
and I'll see you soon.
Bye.